We're going to be looking at the Skeletool from Leatherman. I personally prefer a more minimalistic multi-tool. So this thing, it's pretty thin and simple compared to some others. So when you open it up, it has the standard pliers. Bottle opener on one side, and on the other side you have a knife with a little bit of serration on it. As well as a bit, which I have the Phillips and flathead. There's also on the opposite side, there's a little slot to put some extra bits. So those go in there. And swap out. So you're able to put in like a hex style key or something like that. So whatever you use most. So a little bottle opener on the back. This is my preferred, mostly just because of how small and light it is, and I don't like having all the extra tools that just take up space and you don't really use. But again, this is a Skeletool from Leatherman.